You're kidding. Tell me some more. Tell me some more. Yeah? See, we're getting your bed rail. Yeah, for when you're a big girl. You trying to get out of there? You silly girl. Talk to me. Talk to me. That's it? You know I'm videotaping you, so you're not going to talk anymore, huh, Bean? Ah, spitties, and now it's pouring. Now we have to go out in the pouring rain. Oh boy. Daddy's gonna get soaking wet. Say okay, bye-bye.